If you're wondering what are the best savings accounts in the UK today, you're in the right place. Whether you're after an easy access savings account, a long-term fixed account, or anything in between, keep on watching for the best savings accounts in the UK in 2021. Easy access savings accounts are accounts where you can access your money at any time without any withdrawal fees or losing any interest. At the time of recording, one of the best easy access savings accounts in the UK in 2021 is the Virgin Money current account. Now, I know it's not actually a savings account, it's a current account, but they still offer a really good interest rate of 2.02% interest on anything up to the value of £1,000. So if you're looking to save your money and earn a bit of interest, I'd suggest this is the best option for your first £1,000. Anything over the £1,000, you receive a lower interest rate, and there's better options out there if you've got that type of money to save. The Virgin Money current account also comes with its own linked savings account, but at the time of recording, it's only at 0.5% interest rate, and on April 27th of this year, it actually reduces to 0.35%. Now that is relatively low comparing it to other accounts that we're going to look at in this video. So with the Virgin Money account, it's good for anything up to the first £1,000, but after that, I'd consider looking somewhere else to save your money. Another easy access savings account is the Nationwide Flex Direct. They offer a fixed interest rate of 2% on anything up to the value of £1,500, and this interest rate is fixed for 12 months. So with all the talk of negative interest rates and interest rates dropping even further, this could be a good security knowing that you're going to get a guaranteed 2% for the next year. A couple of things to note with the Nationwide Flex Direct account is that you do have to pay a minimum of £1,000 per month into the account. Now this can't be from another Nationwide account. So for example, your salary, you may want to get it paid into the account to make sure you meet the requirements. Or if your salary is paid into another bank account, you can simply do a transfer into the Nationwide account and then transfer it back out, as long as you've got that minimum of £1,000 coming into the account every single month. But the other thing to consider with this account is that you can only receive this opening offer once. In the past, interest rates on this account have been much higher, and in the future they could potentially go up again. So you really need to weigh up the benefits of taking a guaranteed 2% for the next 12 months now, or possibly leaving this account for a time in the future when interest rates go higher and you can get that guaranteed 12 months at a higher rate. The third easy access savings account that I'm going to mention is actually a banking app, and it's the Chip Plus One. To get this account, you need to either be invited by a friend who has the account already, or you need to refer a friend, and once they sign up, you will then get access to that account as well. Once accepted, you can earn 1.5% interest on the first £2,000 that you save. Anything over the first £2,000 up to the maximum of £5,000, you will have to start paying a fee for, which makes the effective interest rate pretty low. So I'd suggest this account is a good option for anything up to the value of £2,000, but after that, it's not worth it and you should put your money somewhere else. Regular savers are designed to make you pay in a small amount of money each month to save. This could be good if maybe you're starting an emergency fund and want to earn a bit of interest on the money that you're putting away. These regular saver accounts usually do have higher interest rates, but they do have restrictions in terms of how much you can put in each month and how often you can withdraw funds from the account. The NatWest or RBS Digital Regular Saver is the first option. With this account, you can earn 3.04% interest on the first £1,000 that you have in the account. Anything after that, however, is just at 0.1%. The restrictions with this account, however, is that you must already have a current account with them, and you can only pay a maximum of £50 each month into the account. So this is good if you want to put a bit of money aside each month, but you're not going to be able to save a massive amount at that high interest rate. You could open a NatWest or RBS current account just so you can get access to this savings account, but with the £50 limit each month, it's up to you to decide whether that's worth your time or not. The Club Lloyds Monthly Saver is another option. You can earn 1.5% interest, which is fixed for the next 12 months. And with this account, you can save a lot more, with a maximum deposit limit of £400 each month. Again, though, there are restrictions. And to get this savings account, you do already need to have a Club Lloyds current account and have not have had one of these savings accounts in the last 12 months. Fixed accounts are a great way to protect your money against inflation or negative interest rates by having a set guaranteed interest rate for a certain period of time. However, they come with the caveat that you can't actually access the funds for the fixed period that you sign up for unless you want to incur some fees or miss out on the interest by doing so. Al Rayyan is an Islamic bank which offer fixed savings accounts starting at 12 months with 0.65%, all the way up to 36 months or 3 years at 0.95%. Because it's an Islamic bank, they don't actually offer interest. Instead, they call it an expected rate of return. The minimum on these accounts, however, is £5,000, so that may be a bit out of reach for some people. With a lower minimum deposit of £1,000, the Zopa fixed account could be an option. They start with a 1-year fixed at 0.55%, all the way up to 5 years at 1.05%. It's important that you only put money into fixed accounts that you know you will not touch and you will not need in the near future. If you withdraw money from fixed accounts before the term is up, you can incur some charges or even lose out on all of the interest, depending on which bank you're with and what their terms say. The last type of savings account I want to talk about is a notice account. Now, this is kind of a hybrid between a normal savings account and a fixed account. You could basically call it a semi-fixed account. You basically have to give the bank notice if you want to withdraw funds from your account. With the Moneybox notice account, you can earn 0.6% interest on your money and get started with as little as £1. To withdraw money from the account, you will have to give them 95 days notice, which is around 3 months. So again, with the notice account, don't put money away that you may need in an emergency or in a short term. While we're on the topic of money and personal finance, you can check out this video here for the top 5 beginner credit cards to help start building up your credit score, and you can subscribe here for more videos on money management, personal finance and online business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.